In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can make a dollar sign in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. First is we need to open Microsoft Word. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. So we're just going to simply use the shortcut. It's Shift plus 4. Okay? So you just need to simply follow this shortcut. Okay, so now let's press Shift and 4 together. And here it is. Okay, you have just created a dollar sign in your Microsoft Word. Again, it's Shift and 4. Now let me show you on the on-screen keyboard. This one, Shift and 4. Okay, it's Shift and 4. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.